Hi everyone, welcome back to the Java class. So let us continue the session to learn multi-threading in Java programming language. In today's session, you will learn a very powerful and useful concept of multi-threading that is known as synchronization. So what is it? So before getting dive in the concept of synchronization, let us discuss some problem statement. So here we are taking a problem statement of a banking. In banking system, suppose a bank teller test where only one customer can be served at a time. If multiple customers trying to interact with the teller simultaneously, they may cause confusion or errors. Due to that, some incorrect withdrawals or deposits may happen. In that case, a teller desk is known as the shared resource or a customer is known as a thread. Let us understand with the help of a different problem statement. So here we are taking a bridge analogy system. In that case, for example, consider a narrow bridge that can only accommodate one vehicle at a time, or if multiple vehicles from both ends trying to cross simultaneously, so there may be some accident or gridlock can be occur, right? Or due to that your bridge may collapse. So in that case, your bridge is the shared resource and your vehicles are or is a thread. So in both the problem statement, we need to design a safe mechanism to ensure that only one customer can be served at a bank teller desk and one person crosses the bridge at a given point of time to maintain the safety and data consistency. So there is a need of synchronization between the different threads. So let us understand what is the synchronization problem and what is the synchronization in Java. So synchronization is a process that ensures that a shared resource is used only by one thread at a time when multiple threads needs to access it. Without synchronization, multiple threads can interfere with each other and leading to inconsistent or erroneous behavior. So synchronization is very important and it is essential when threads interact with shared data or object. So let us see the working process of the synchronization. So before going dive in the concept of working process, let us understand how can you provide the synchronization in multi-threading concept. So to implement the thread synchronization, we have two different ways. First is using synchronized method and second one is using synchronized block. So let us see what is the synchronized method. When a thread is inside a synchronized method, all other threads trying to call it on the same instance have to wait. Or how to define your method as synchronized, you will simply use a synchronized keyword and before the return type of a method, you can write the synchronized keyword. So your method will be synchronized or only one thread will use this method at one time. The second approach in order to maintain or in order to provide the synchronization is the synchronized block. So synchronized block ensure that a particular section of a code can be executed by one thread at a time, or inside this case, we are not making the complete method as a synchronized. For example, you have 100 line of code or you would like to make only 20 line of code as synchronized. You can create a block of that code and you can provide a synchronized block inside it. So these are the two techniques to provide the synchronization when multiple threads are trying to executing the shared resource. So let us understand how this will work. For example, this is a section of a code that is synchronized block or it may be a method. So in technical terms, we can say this is a critical section or multiple threads are outside and trying to access this critical section simultaneously. So how the synchronization concept work? For example, the thread 1 got a chance to enter inside a synchronized block. So in that case, the thread 1 acquire a lock and starts its execution. So here there is a locking mechanism that is known as a monitor lock. So thread 1 will acquire a lock and start its execution. After that or after some time, the thread will exit from this critical section. It means the thread 1 releases the lock and after this now the thread 2 will got a chance to enter inside the critical section. In that case, thread 2 will acquire a lock and start its execution and the same process will continue for other thread also. So this is a kind of locking mechanism. Whenever you will apply a synchronized over a method, or you will create a block as a synchronized. So guys, this is a general theory concept and the concept intuition. How will you implement the synchronization is in multi-threading concepts. So in the next session, I will help you to understand how will you create a method as synchronized in order to provide the synchronization when multiple threads are trying to access a shared resource. So guys, this is all about for this session. In the next session, you will learn how to create a method as a synchronized. So guys, thanks for watching. Bye bye for now. Have a great day. If you like this video, please write your feedback on the comments. Bye bye for now. Have a great day once again. Bye bye.